All right, people, what's up? To watch this video here for Tuesday, July 21st, showing you the SPY, kind of a little bit of an upside breakout here. If you count this, if you want to call this little thing a cup and handle over the last month or so, kind of curling up to the upside out of that range. Overall, it was, I didn't have any big trades, but I had a bunch of small trades, and at the end of the day, here's all my trades. At the end of the day, thanks to Trump and his mask comment, I got a final $1,070 to add to my gains. But look at that. Before that, it was nothing but a bunch of scalps. But you know what? I'll still take that. The scalps add up, and then had the icing on the cake with APT. So it was a decent day. Let's see what we're watching for tomorrow. NBEV. Interesting anyway, without what I'm getting ready to say, just because it had massive volume and closed at its highs. Looked like something's brewing. Well, turns out something was brewing. It went out in after hours at $3.13. I heard the headline. I haven't delved into it, right? So some kind of merger or something. So I'm not sure if it's worth trading tomorrow, but it's certainly going to be a gapper, and I'll have time in the pre-market to figure out if it's, if it's set at a defined price or certain shares for cash, or I'm not sure. Again, I got to look at the headline, and for all I know, it's not even a merger. It's some sort of collaboration or something. So I got to dive into it, but certainly was hot in after hours, and that's all I need to know to put it on my watch list. Again, I'll do more research in the morning. TNXP, really big volume. Look at 266 million shares. Topped out at 186. Back here on big volume, it actually hit 198. So, if it gets through the highs tomorrow, over 186, you might just break this high and kind of rip through too. So that volume's certainly going to catch some attention. So I'm going to watch it. APT's already been up. This is the third day in a row. So, but with the Trump mask, wearing a mask comment and all that, maybe the mask plays have some more in it. And again, I made a quick $1,000 on it, kind of Tokyo style, somewhere in here. I got it before the high of day break. We had called it earlier. Anytime today, I said if it breaks 2150, but then it looked like it was breaking down, so kind of took it off my radar. If you were in chat, though, it probably looked about like this when I typed in chat APT volume spike, and then I think Daniel said probably on this, and he put a link to the Trump comments. And I don't know where I got filled somewhere between here and the high of day, and then just did a quick sell and made a quick $1,000. So it was cool. But anyway, I'm going to watch it, but keep in mind, it's already been up 3 days in a row, so it's not my favorite. I did want to throw one other mask play on there. Actually, I think I have two others. NBY, which had the gap up here, and it's starting to curl back up. So I'm going to keep my eyes on that one as another possible mask play if that group gets going. ABUS, 2 big days in a row, so I'm not a huge fan of this one either because it's extended, but if you look at the intraday, had a big rip today in the afternoon. So something to do with Moderna and maybe having rights to it or so, or to what Moderna, mRNA, what they're doing. So anyway, I'm going to keep that one on a chart. JMIA, you have a, I don't know, 4 or 5, 6 month maybe, cup and handle breakout today. We're looking for a follow-through day tomorrow. On an intraday basis, Frank pointed it out in chat when it looked like probably about like this. And I said I liked it over the high of day, over this 863. There was a seller there, and it ended up from there going up almost $1, maybe $1. So, but as I said in chat, I wouldn't have seen it if it wasn't for Frank. So nice spot by Frank. Bear with me 1 second. All right, so that's JMIA. AIM, AIM. You kind of have a little cup and handle breakout today, so we're looking for a follow-through day in that one tomorrow. EQ was on Bounce Watch coming today. It just simply goes back on Bounce Watch. Again, remember I said I wanted a narrow range and an afternoon breakout. Well, got the narrow range today, but we never got the afternoon breakout, so it just goes right back on the list, and we'll watch it again. UAVS, one of the strongest stocks on the planet. Now you got a couple red days on declining volume. It goes on Bounce Watch. Again, I'd like it to get down to the buy zone, but we'll see. SINT, I didn't think I'd have this on watch for a while because we had it on watch, and then they did an offering, and they did another offering, I don't know, within the last couple of weeks. Someone said they've done 3 in the last few weeks. When I hear that, it makes me not want to trade a stock, but with that in mind, this thing's holding up so well, I'm going to watch it. It's got impressive strength. EDNT, that's another mask maker I just threw on it. I actually did the research and looked it up. They actually do make masks, and I thought the other day there was a rumor of something to do with them supplying Colorado or something. I don't know if that's true, but it's holding up pretty well amidst the other mask plays, and it's got a fairly low float, so I want to watch that one. PTE, kind of had this island down here, right? See this island? Kind of formed a cup and handle, and this is like day one of the cup and handle breakout. Maybe a push through 2 tomorrow, knowing today's high is 204. And then SNGX is the last one. Nice volume today and breaking above the last couple months highs. We'll add gappers to this list as well. Teamwork's been fantastic. Let's do it again in the morning. I'll see you guys in chat.